Chromebooks often are restricted by school admin via policies from installing apps or games. If allowed, use the Google Play Store on the Chromebook if enabled to install Roblox if device supports Android apps. Alternatively, use Roblox web version via browser or roblox.com if the school network allows it. Check with your school's IT or admin to ensure game policies are respected. Many schools block games or require using school account restrictions. Alright, if device is managed, BYOD versus school owned, you may need permission or a workaround, which might violate policy. Proceed carefully and ethically. Ensure you're using a safe network and following school or policy guidelines. Battery performance concerns, distractions, allowed hours. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.